Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm a simple Filipino-American living in the US with my family, showing my everyday life experiences. Okay, King, come on, let's go. Come here. You wanna go with mommy? I wanna go with mommy. Well, let's go. Hold on. Don't move mommy's head. I wanna go with mommy in the car. Huh. Let's go in the car. And we're gonna clean the car before Storm Helene come here. Okay, stay there. Okay, now we're gonna move the car so we can clean it up. Hello, King. You wanna go with mommy, huh? Yep, you need to stay there, okay? Mommy, we're gonna clean up the car, okay? Sit. Down. Just open the door, okay?
Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right, living her dream. She's got that fire in her eyes, determination in her soul. Breaking barriers, reaching goals, she's on a roll. She's a diamond in the rough, shining bright. A woman like her, she's a beautiful sight. She's breaking molds, she's breaking rules. In a world that tries to push her down, she won't lose. She's standing tall, she's standing strong. In a world that tells her she don't belong, she's a woman like me, unstoppable.
Okay, I'm done cleaning the car. It's clean. Now it's time for it to cover it, I mean. Okay. Nice and clean. Okay, I'm done cleaning our other car, the small one. Yeah, right there, it's beautiful now. I just have to cover it later because of the storm coming. It will be Helene is out there in the Gulf of Mexico right now, so I just have to cover it and take care of it. Okay, we're doing a storm prep. I'm with my kids outside. Yeah, we have to put the net in the pool, and then we have to move all of this all the plants in this backyard, and then all of our patio furnitures we already moved earlier. Yep, we have to move all of them in preparation for Hurricane Helene. Yeah, Hurricane Helene is at Mexico right now, and it's expected to be Hurricane Category 4 when it hits the Florida. So we have to really prepare and get ready for it. Hopefully it goes away. Look what I got from my garden, my chili peppers. Sarap. So, we're gonna cooking. Cook some chicken. Cook some chicken in our air fryer. Yeah, we still have some leftover Alfredo pasta the other day, so we'll just eat it tonight, and then I'll put some of the chicken that I am cooking right now, and we're gonna have some breadstick with it. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? Uy. Mommy, we're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be cooking some chicken caldereta with pulled pork. I'm fixing the onions and some garlic, and then we're gonna cook it for our meal tomorrow, since we're gonna have the hurricane, so I wanted to cook early and have it ready for tomorrow. Get some breadsticks. Also, I do our laundry before the hurricane comes, so we'll be done. Oh yeah, today we went to the store before Hurricane Helene come over. Today is Thursday. Time check 1:11 p.m. So we got some groceries. Most importantly are the water and some very basic needs like eggs, milks, and food basically. I have my coffee that I left from this morning. When I drink it. Yep. So let's put up all these groceries and I'll make the banana pudding later.
So sweaty, the steady decline in pressure.
today is Friday morning. I just woke up. Here, the sky is calm already. Gonna go and have some coffee. Morning, everyone. Good morning, King. How are you? Wanna go pee-pee outside? Come on. My plants full. There's a lot of leaves outside. Ooh, our thing is down. That we have some cleaning to do. The pool. Oh my goodness. Look at our flower. It's good that we didn't get any damage. Oh wow. This is crazy. And we don't even have any marigold thing. About the house. Oh. Damage from the they're good. At the front. Good. That's good. I just have some cleaning. And direct up this thing later.
I'm saying we don't have to put that back up. I'm saying we have
Okay.
to make sure. All we have to do is put the furniture back. It takes like 10 minutes.
We're cleaning
Start sweeping.
our backyard.
We putting the furniture back.
Huh?
We're putting the furniture back.
Yeah, we'll have to. And then the pots and the all this stuff on the.
Alright, you're acting like homework is the end of the world. There's no shot you even have that much.
Do you still have a lot of homework? Well, I'm sure if it rains, look at the pond right there. Yeah. We're gonna have to clean our yard. There's a lot of leaves. Things out there. Please don't forget to drop me a like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button for me, please. Thank you. Until next time, paalam!